Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW Z4 and you're trying to find where your exhaust camshaft position sensor is located and how to remove and replace it. Stay with us, we'll cover all that today guys. With the front end removed out of this car, we can demonstrate that. This is the 6-cylinder engine that can be found in so many BMWs such as Z4, 3 Series, 5 Series, even X3, X5 guys, one of the most popular engines. So now with the front end removed, we can really demonstrate how things work, where the sensor is located and what you need to do to remove it. Otherwise it's impossible for us to show you with the camera what to do. And another thing guys, before we start, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs we make even more. Why we do all that? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Another thing now guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, new sensor, all that will be shared in the description of the video below for your convenience. So that will work on the on the E85. It will work on the actually the next E89 I think was the next generation, 2 generation BMWs guys, Z4. So now let me show you something. You have 2 camshaft position sensors. One is on the intake side here and one on the exhaust side. The exhaust side is a little bit harder to get to, but it is right here guys. As you can see, this is the sensor right there. Perfect. So how we guys remove that sensor? Let us show you. I will get the reverse torque socket now. I'll put the links in the description of the video below. You come underneath with an extension, and you need to remove that bolt, right there. Just go ahead, get it loose. Once you get it loose, it will be dirty. You can see the oil leak that we have here, it's enormous. That's from the valve cover. We have videos how to fix multiple oil leaks on that engine guys. That will work on Z4, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5. Very, very popular engine guys. So we're, as you can see, removing that bolt now. Perfect. Bolt comes out. Now, I grab that sensor guys. And it will be stuck. So let's come a little bit up with the camera, maybe just like that a little bit, so you can see, because otherwise I don't think you can see so much. Perfect. And now grab the sensor, and pull it out. It has one O-ring that is stuck guys. You can see just like that, and eventually it comes out. So let's come down now. This is the sensor guys. So now we need to disconnect it. How we're going to disconnect it? Let's come down a little bit with the camera. Perfect. We're going to disconnect it by using a small screwdriver now. And we're going to pry that tooth up a little bit. And the moment we pry it up, we're going to pull it out. And this is the sensor guys right here. You can see it came out like that. This is the O-ring that gets stuck. You may leak a little bit of oil out. You can see how dirty the sensor is. This is because we need to clean the engine with an additive, and we'll have a special video that explains how to do that. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. We also have a video how to test those as well. Check it out. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. If you need to buy one, we'll have the link as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.